Hi everyone, this is Dr. Bay. I hope you're doing well and hopefully you have a good time during your extended spring break. Before we get into the course materials, I just want to go over the modified schedule with you. I know this is kind of new to me too. Um, um, it took me a while to learn about these different platforms, how to use Zoom and WebEx and the document camera setting, this video conferencing, everything. So I also have a learning curve. So I hopefully you can adopt this new format well, so that your learning um, is going to be continuing. All right, so let's look at the schedule. Okay, so I'm gonna post it on the Blackboard, this modified schedule for the remaining semester. So as you know, this is the last page of our contract, the syllabus that we all agreed at the beginning of the semester. I know that due to the coronavirus thing, we have a changes on the spring break schedule and 1 week extended of the semester. So I reflect those changes on this modified schedule. So as you can see, this is the week of March 23rd through 27th, your extended spring break. This coming week, 30th through April 3rd, is going to be the week 12. So I'm going to continue to talk about the beam analysis, chapter 8, and I'm going to break it into several video clips so that I'm going to upload it on the YouTube and share that link on the Blackboard. So you can directly go to the Blackboard and click the link, then it will automatically opens the YouTube video. That's what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to use the textbook example problems. So I'm going to go over those example problems as well using our Steel Bible. So that's the one topic next week. And then design of beams and beams for moments. That's chapter 9. So I'm going to go over that chapter this coming week. And then weeks 13 between April 6th through 10th, because we have to have our second party, the midterm number 2. It was originally scheduled during your spring break, so I kind of postponed that schedule to week 13 so that you have enough time to prepare this exam. And then I'm going to post another separate video clip for the review session. So I'm going to go over the topics in chapters 4, 5, and 6 for you to prepare this midterm exam too. By the way, I'm going to upload all the videos in advance so that you can watch anytime, which is a asynchronous format, but only these 2 times, the midterm number 2 and the final exams. I'd like to have a synchronous format, which means you have to keep this time to take this exam. So the midterm number 2 is going to be available between 8:15 to 9:15 a.m. PST, which is the original course time, right? So I hope you don't have any schedule conflict with any other thing. So that is going to be Wednesday, April 8th, between 8:15 to 9:15 a.m. in this Pacific time. So you can go onto the Blackboard. I'm going to talk more about this, but this midterm exam number 2 is going to be available on your Blackboard online. And then April 10th is going to be the Good Friday. So I do not expect you to have any learning that day because that's university holiday. And the coming Monday is also a holiday, right? So week 14th, between April 13th through 17th, I'm going to cover chapter 11, bending and axial force. That's for the beam column members. And then bolted connections and welded connections. So I combined those 2 chapters, 12 and 14, into one slide, but it's a long kind of slide, so I'm going to break it into 2 or 3 video sessions. So I'm going to upload the first video clip in week number 14, and then continue to talk those topics in week 15. The last topic of this course is the composite beams, which is chapter 16. So in week 15, between April 20th through 24th, I'm going to cover that topic. And then the last week of the semester is going to be week 16, April 27th through May 1st. So again, I'm going to prepare the review session for the final, which is a comprehensive. So it's going to be a longer video clip. So maybe one or two or maybe multiple clips. So I'm going to work on that later. And the final exam, again, this is a synchronous. So you have to take this final exam during this specific time, May 1st, which is a Friday, and between 7 to 9 a.m. Pacific time. And again, this is based on the university final schedule. So I don't think you will conflict with any other final schedules. And we're gonna have this party, the final party, online. So I'm gonna make it available on your Blackboard between 7 to 9 a.m. on that day. Okay, so that's about the modified schedule for the remaining semester. And I'm going to upload other course contents in a video clip format and make it available on the Blackboard and let you know via email. All right, thank you. Bye.